Today, we're going to explore the 10 best kitchen organization gadgets available on Amazon that will help you declutter, maximize space, and add a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Let's get started. First up, we have the rolling egg dispenser, a genius solution for keeping your eggs organized and easily accessible. This two-tiered dispenser holds up to 14 eggs, and it's designed to roll a new egg to the front every time you take one out. Not only does this save space compared to bulky egg cartons, but it also ensures you always use the oldest eggs first, reducing waste. Its compact design fits effortlessly into your fridge, making it a great space saver. Say goodbye to cracked eggs and hello to streamlined storage. Next, we have the stainless steel magnetic stove shelf, an absolute game changer when it comes to maximizing kitchen space. This sleek shelf adds an extra 3 feet of storage right above your stove. Its unique magnet-based design means no drilling or gluing is needed, just place it on top, and you're done. It's made from durable stainless steel, so it's easy to clean and built to last. Use it for condiments, spices, oils, or even decorative items like candles and plants to add a bit of personality to your kitchen. Functional and stylish, this shelf is perfect for any stove. Who knew bread storage could be so convenient? The sandwich-sized Bread Buddy dispenser is designed to keep your bread fresh while allowing you to dispense it one slice at a time. This gadget protects your loaf from getting squished in the pantry and ensures the last slice is as fresh as the first. Plus, its slim, upright design means it takes up far less space than your typical bread bags, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Next up is the simple Houseware Stackable can rack organizer, perfect for anyone struggling with canned goods clutter. This sturdy organizer can hold up to 36 cans and is fully stackable, allowing you to customize your storage based on your needs. Its angled design lets you easily see and grab your cans, whether you're storing soups, veggies, or drinks. No more rummaging through the back of the pantry, everything is right at your fingertips. Plus, it fits beautifully in large cabinets or on pantry shelves, making it a must-have for every organized kitchen. If you're short on fridge space, the fridge foldable magnetic shelf with paper holder is going to be your new favorite gadget. This multi-purpose shelf magnetically attaches to your fridge, giving you extra storage for spices, condiments, and more. What's more, it includes a handy paper towel holder, so you can grab a towel while prepping your meals. When not in use, the shelf folds flat against the fridge, saving even more space. It's an easy, no-drill storage solution that will bring order to your kitchen. Sick of loose Ziploc bags cluttering up your kitchen drawers? The acrylic Ziploc bag storage organizer is here to help. This clear, durable organizer has compartments for different sized Ziploc bags, quart, sandwich, gallon, and snack. It keeps your bags neatly stacked, easy to access, and ready to go whenever you need them. Made from premium acrylic, it's not only functional but also adds a sleek, modern touch to your kitchen. Plus, it fits perfectly inside your drawer or pantry shelf, instantly decluttering your space. For those of us with cluttered cabinets, the pull and rotate cabinet organizer is an absolute lifesaver. With a simple pull and twist, you can easily access all your spices, jars, or condiments without knocking everything over. This rotating design maximizes vertical space in your cabinets, keeping everything organized and visible. Whether you're a spice enthusiast or just need better cabinet organization, this gadget ensures that everything has a place, and you won't have to dig through clutter to find what you need. Storing dry goods like rice, beans, and lentils just got a whole lot easier with the rotating grain dispenser. This sleek dispenser keeps up to 6 different grains or cereals neatly stored in one rotating unit. With a simple twist, you can select the grain you want and dispense the perfect amount into your bowl or container. No more messy bags or bulky containers. This space-saving gadget keeps everything organized and easy to access. It's perfect for anyone looking to declutter their pantry while keeping essential ingredients within reach. One of the most frustrating things in a kitchen is dealing with tangled appliance cords, but the appliance cord organizer puts an end to that hassle. This little gadget sticks right onto your appliance and neatly wraps the cord around it, keeping it out of the way and tangle-free. Whether it's your mixer, coffee maker, or toaster, this organizer works for almost any small kitchen appliance. It's an inexpensive and simple solution to keeping your countertops neat and free from cord clutter. Last but certainly not least, we have the adjustable pots and pans organizer for cabinets. This sturdy, customizable rack can be adjusted to fit pots, pans, and lids of all sizes, keeping them neatly stored and easily accessible. No more stacking pots and dealing with the frustration of trying to find the right lid. This organizer holds everything in place. It's easy to set up, requires no tools, and can be placed inside your cabinet, on the countertop, or even under the sink. With its durable build and space-optimizing design, it's the perfect solution for keeping your cookware tidy and organized. And there you have it, the 10 best kitchen organization gadgets on Amazon. Let me know in the comments which gadget you can't wait to try.